Wild Not a Peach palette. This is what it looks like. It is so beautiful with the browns and burnt oranges and just corally peach tones with that pop of blue, which I love. And so I've already partially done my left eye here, and we're going to go ahead and get started on this eye, and then we're going to finish them both up together. Let's go ahead and get into this look. I'm going to apply this creamy transition shade here, and I'm going to use this flat Morphe brush, and I'm just going to apply that right underneath my brow bone. This next shade is another transition color, and I'm just going to go right underneath where I applied the cream color, right under my brow bone and right above my crease, and I'm going to just lightly put that in. And I'm using this Profusion blending brush. And I'm just going in a circular windshield wiper motion. I just want that right at the edge of that crease. And I'm going to blend it in. Going back with this flat Morphe brush, I'm going to go into this peachy color right here, and I'm going to take that across my lid from the inner corner all the way out. And I forgot to tell you all that I've already applied my Urban Decay Anti-Aging Primer Potion on my lids. And as I'm sure that you can see, I've already done my face as far as foundation, concealer, bronzer, and a little highlight. On. And in a little bit I'm going to blend. And I will be adding some more of that transition shade to the upper eye area. The nice thing about these shadows is so far no fallout. So what I'm going to do with the Sigma blending brush is combine the toasty dark burnt orange shadow, and then I'm going to go into the shade that I just put on my lid and just blend. Now with this angled Morphe brush, I'm going to go into this beautiful, now with this angled Morphe brush, I'm going to go into this beautiful deep dark chocolate shade right here. And I'm going to use that as an eyeliner. And I'm just gonna do a small wing. I love it when I have a great shadow that I can use to line my eyes instead of a regular eyeliner. The next shadow that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to use my fingers for this one, but I'm going to go right over the top of this peachy shade, and I'm going to use the shimmer that they have in this palette. And I'm going to take that only across the inner portion and towards the middle. It's such a pretty looking shimmer, so I hope it looks great on. Let me give you a close-up. And let me swatch that for you so you can see. Ooh, that almost has a shift. It almost has like a gold shift to it. Like, you know, when you see the peaches, if part of it's very peachy, orangey, and then the other part of the peach has like a goldenish peachy shade. That's what that reminds me of. This is really pretty. Okay, let's see. I don't know. I might not. I might just put this in the middle of my lid. That's where I'm going to start with this. I'm going to start in the middle and then work my way towards the center of my lid and just see how that works. So this is more, even though it looks like a shimmer in the palette, it is more of a satin. Very pretty. Okay, I might stop at the center of this. We'll see. Nope, I'm gonna go towards the corner. I like it because it really brightens the look up. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is so affordable. I'm going to put the price of this palette somewhere above. Hopefully I've already done it at the beginning. But wow. This is a good palette for the summer, but also I could see myself wearing this in the fall as well. Or just putting brown in the outer corner for a little depth. Or if you're going out for the evening, or you know, putting makeup on for the evening time, then of course you'd wear a little more and make it a lot more smoky. But yeah, this is really a pretty palette. Okay, where to go next? Let me add a little bit more of the brown. Since I added that shimmer, I kind of put a little bit of that shimmer over the brown, so I'm just gonna go over the top of that. Add some more of that brown like right in my lower lash line, and then after I do that, then I'm going to apply this blue in the lower lash line. I just think that's going to be so pretty. And I'm just going to stop short right there, no further. And I'm going to do the same with this side. That works. And I'm going to smoke it out a little bit. Because I don't want it to be harsh. That looks so much better. Okay, so now I'm going to add that blue shade. That is so pretty. Ah, I love it. What I think I'm gonna do is use a matte for my inner corner. I think that's what I need. And I'm gonna take this light peach shade right here, and I'm gonna stick that in my inner corner. It is matte. Okay, I think I'm gonna put something over that. I think I'm gonna put this cream shade. Yeah, I think I need something else. I kind of like it. I think I have it where I want it. I'm gonna go into this ColourPop blush right here. I'm going to add the Chanel La Base mascara, and then I'm going to go in with the Lea Volume mascara. Now for the lip volume. So pretty, can y'all see that? Adds so much volume to my little invisible lashes. Beautiful. Now to finish the lips. I think that's where I left off when the video quit, when the camera quit. Again, the Kat Von D lip liner, and I'm gonna go in with this nude Dior lipstick. What is this? This is 344 Rolling. This is what it looks like. This peachy tone would be perfect. And my lips need some kind of hydration right now. It's all my fault because I didn't have enough water. This is the final look. What do you think? I just want to talk about the palette. First of all, the colors are beautiful. It is a beautiful color story. And second of all, the formula is very nice for the price. The 2 transition shades were beautiful. The peach shades were beautiful. The shimmer was beautiful. And I really cannot believe that there was a shift. Did y'all not see it? There's a gold shift. Wet n Wild. Come on. I hope you see it because I see it. It's gorgeous. Every time you think Wet n Wild has come to a place where they've just kind of, balanced off. They're still good, but there is better. Well, then Wet n Wild comes back and says, who do you think you're talking about? Anyway, I appreciate you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoy seeing this look come together, and I hope that you will go out and try this palette. I do believe that this palette would be suitable for deeper skin tones as well. If you have a deeper skin tone and you would like to see me do this look on my daughter who has a deeper skin tone, I would gladly do that. I will do the same look or use a combination of other colors in this palette, but I would prefer that you see these colors on her. But let me know if you'd like to see that and I will gladly do it. If not, I hope you enjoyed this look, and I appreciate you all so much. If you are new to this channel and you enjoyed yourself, then do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button. And if you subscribe, please click on that bell. If you do click on that bell, please do not forget to click all. That way you get all of my video notifications. It's very important that you do that so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much. You all take care. I love you. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you all on the next video, God willing. Bye-bye.